Hi, I'd like to demonstrate the original dual entry expert advisor that I'm offering up on eBay and elsewhere. My website, the original strategy tester assistant instapage.com, I do believe. So of course this is a strategy tester. Premise: the strategy tester is horrible. I've been trading for about 6 years. I found it when I was looking for extra income. I needed a second income, so I found trading after trying a bunch of other things, and trading just seemed to fit with me. But it is a very expensive learning curve, so I'm looking to alleviate that learning curve for any other new traders out there, some of these people who are looking for second incomes. This could really help them if they think that trading suits them. The thing about MT4 and the strategy tester is it is designed to automate your trading strategies in expert advisors. Now, brokers, of course, love it when you automate things and use expert advisors because, in general, they don't work forever. They will work for a little while, but sooner or later they will fail, and the brokers and the banks will take your money. So, I learned that, and then I decided that manual trading is the only way to go. Paying attention to what the market is doing, being able to recognize all the different patterns out there that the indicators that MT4 gives you will teach you. I mean, all those indicators are wonderful. MT4 is a great program. It has a lot of great features. The indicators are wonderful, but they're all designed to keep you trading and giving you a false sense of security. They don't really work. The only thing that really works is understanding that the banks control the whole market, and they're just going from level to level, taking people's money. But if you know that, if you understand that, and you know that the banks are going to win, then you have an advantage, because all you have to do is figure out what they're doing and ride their coattails. Okay, so here we are in the strategy tester. Here's the little robot. It's only got a few settings. It keeps evolving. So anyway, whenever you buy one of my expert advisors, I always send you updates. You're a lifetime member once you buy. So what do we got in here? All of these, most of these, they all have to do with the dual entry part of the expert advisor, which is more of a toy. That's something I just put on when I'm watching TV, so I can just see the charts go up and down and profits happen. It makes me feel good. The only thing that's interesting is this level. This level setting will affect your stop losses and your pending orders. Okay, let's get right to it. Start it up. So it's a 1 hour chart, 1 year on the pound dollar. Here we go. I'll just go over the features quickly. Like I said, if you're new to trading, this is a must-have. If you're a seasoned trader or a struggling trader, I highly recommend this just to play in the strategy tester on a daily basis, to train your brain and your eyes to recognize what the banks are up to. Okay, let's just get rid of those lines and put our daily lines on there. Okay, so we have a per candle feature that will in the strategy tester. We're in the strategy tester now, as you can see. Here, let me get rid of this. If you want to use a per candle feature, that'll just advance the charts 1 candle at a time. Very handy for picking a good entry point. You have buy and sell on the fly. Usually you need a robot to do this, but look, I mean, this is very, very powerful for learning how to trade. Here's your account balance down here. Here's your profits. We have open orders here, and I highly recommend you don't have that many orders open. The more orders you have open, the more confused you're going to get in general. Okay, so all kinds of different ways to close buys and sells. You can close the last sell order. You can close the first sell order. You can close all the sell orders. I won't do that now. You can close all the sells in profit. I won't do that now either. I'll put a few more sells. So you can close things in profit. You can close all your buys in profit. I don't have any buys in profit. I can close my first buy. I can close my last buy. I can close everything in profit. This is very, very powerful stuff. The other thing that is very useful, well, you can close all orders here. You know, emergency comes by, down, close all your orders. Let's open a whole bunch more. Or close a whole bunch more in profit. Let's just willy-nilly buy a whole bunch more. There we go. Got some open orders. Lot size down here. It's handy to be able to increase your lot sizes for things, right? I mean, things are going up. I'm losing on the sell, so I can increase my lot size as much as I want. Open some more sells. Look at we're in profit. Bingo. Close all orders in profit. There we go. Close all orders in profit again. This is great stuff if you're in the strategy tester and just learning your craft. Just to see the charts, see how they move, see the different flag patterns and when it's actually moving and when it's consolidating. You got to learn all this stuff. And the strategy tester is the best way. It's a test drive. It's like you wouldn't go to the store and buy a pair of shoes without trying them on. So why would you start trading and give your money freely to a broker and just throw yourself in there? You have to go to the demo account in the strategy tester with this tool to train yourself to win. This is a game and you want to win the game. So you need to train, you need to practice. And the less money it costs you to practice, the better off, the happier you will be. Okay, so that is that robot, as you can see. Can close all orders again. I'm going to pause it. Now, just for fun, I'll show you the dual entry, which is a great little robot. I mean, it can go forever and make you a lot of money, but it is fallible. Okay, market conditions. You cannot predict all market conditions. You cannot predict news events. So if you're not paying attention, you will lose everything with a robot. But I threw this in here. You don't have to use it. I definitely wouldn't use it on a live account. But just as a variation to play with, I threw it in there for you. So, here we go. Here we start the chart up again. Say sells are okay. This is the automation, the dual entry part of the robot here. So I'm going to put autopilot on, which means it'll take profit, and my desired profit is, I think I set it at like 0.15% or something. That was in the beginning. Okay, so here we go. Turn on the autopilot. So this is set. You can change the different levels in the beginning. There's a setting to change things. So you're at work, you come home, things are in profit. Here, let's take my profit. Sleep, go to work. Come home, see what happened. Take my profit. I'm going to lower my risk amount here. Go back to a pip. There we go. Close all. How you doing, buddy? Okay. So and that just goes on forever like that. So you can close all your orders again. So as you can see, in a short time in the strategy tester, I made $600, $51 a day. Not too bad. I think that's going to go down here though. Yeah, $28 a day. But as you can see, this is a fabulous, fabulous tool for perfecting your skills, for keeping an eye on the charts. If you do this an hour a day, half an hour a day, just play with this, buy and sell and close, and try and win the game. Set yourself a target, an average daily profit target or an account balance target, and try and win. Just look at the patterns, you know, like the banks are going up, then they take some money, then they're going up again, then they take some money, then they're going up again. You got to learn all these little patterns, and eventually this could be a nice little second income. Okay, I think that's all I wanted to show you tonight. So I'll just take a look at our little graph. The graph went up. Our results started on 1st at 27, and second so in about a month, about $600 in a month. Just basically not doing too much. Just practicing. Just practicing. That's the way you have to think about it. And the good reason to practice is because once you do put real money on it, the game changes tremendously. You got to have nerves of steel. So the more that you practice, practice, the better you're going to be. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. Happy trading.